sick, who need healing. I want to tell you how God works. God does not start with solving your problem. God starts by solving you. The first problem to solve is the person. When God solves you, then he solves your problems. What is the use healing you and you are still rotten? What is the use blessing you with money and you are still lost? The problem with the messages we are preaching in Nigeria is that we want to fix man from outside. So there's a lot of talk on money, prosperity. Then we talk about the body. We want people to be healed and breakthroughs. We live their life rotten. So the more of such messages you are preaching, the worse the people are becoming, because all the criminality going on in the nation are in the church. All the evil are in the church. Yet the answer is supposed to come from the church to the society. So how do you fix people? How do you create productive people? How do you create innovators, inventors, people that can take the economy of this nation to another level? But how do you create good people? Who are kidnapping Nigerians? Nigerians. Who are killing Nigerians? Nigerians. Who are the ones stealing all our money and keeping them in Paris, in Switzerland and everywhere? Nigerians. We should be bringing back everything to build our country, but we are taking everything to go and build other countries. Who are the people raping people's wives, raping people's daughters? Nigerians. Who are the ones who sit in our courts that when a poor man comes there, he can't get justice unless you have millions to dispense? Nigerians. Who are the ones we gave guns to protect us, that look away when terrorists are coming, look away when criminals are coming, and when they finish, they come out to make speeches? Nigerians. Where did we get all the bad people from? Did we import them from America? Did we import them from Britain? No. So you see, while you are blaming politicians and blaming other people, you are part of the problem. A nation is changed one person at a time. Now, that brings me to the big question. How do you create human beings? We don't know how to do it. There's only one company, one manufacturer that knows how to do it, to create life. His name is the Almighty God.